I didn't have to look back, because the truth is, I took over for myself. The late Buhari is me. He was a partner. And if I took over from him, is that not from myself? Yeah. So, if something is wrong, fine. Live with it, correct it, move on. The life voyage is not going to be easy. And so many of you that are traveling with me, I can only stand before you and say you will not regret it. That is why we ask you to renew their hope. If they don't want to see the hope and the roads that we bridge and the children we raise and the economy we are growing, we lend them Jiggy Bola. We give them eyeglasses. I can assure you, this is whatever you say I do. But one thing that you need from me is a promise that I won't run away from the affair. With you, the deal is done. No other thing. Whatever we need to do, coordinate from the world level and build on our understanding. We act as one family. You represent a conscience, a nation that want to break the shackle of poverty, ignorance, and hopelessness. You are in a good company. That's all I can say. And all I can promise is that I won't give up. During the primary that got me here, hey, it was tough. During the general election, it was tough. Now that if you look at one of them, no one without history among these calabash. No one without history. The head was the chairman of the Privatization Council of Nigeria. In this country, one time, he privatized the steel industry in Delta. Is it working today? No. No ounce. They privatized Ajaokuta. Is it working today? No. Go unreleased. They privatized another man's political party. That one said no. Your job is done. Just let's go to the depth, the research of the details and what we promised Nigerians. And I promise I won't let you down. Thank you very much.